In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Notion. Creating a Gantt chart can be incredibly useful for organizing your tasks and projects, making it easier to visualize timelines and dependencies. Fortunately, Notion makes it relatively simple to set one up, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a Gantt chart within your Notion workspace. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is create a database with tasks. This database will serve as the foundation for your Gantt chart. To get started, open Notion and create a new page. On this page, you'll want to add a new database. You can choose between a table, board, or another database type that suits your project needs. But for simplicity, let's start with a table view. Here, you'll enter all your tasks or project milestones that you want to track. Once you have your tasks listed, it's time to add start and end dates for each task. These dates are crucial as they define the timeline for each task and allow the Gantt chart to visually represent your project schedule. In your database, you'd want to add two new columns. The first column will be for the start dates, and the second for the end dates of your tasks. Ensure that these columns are in the date format, which will help Notion recognize them as timeline markers. After you've inputted all your start and end dates, it's time to switch your database to timeline view. This step is essential as it converts your list of tasks into a visual timeline format. To do this, simply go to the Add a View section at the top of your database. Here, you'll select the timeline option and give your new timeline view a name if you like. Notion will then automatically transform your database into a timeline, which functions like a Gantt chart. With your new timeline view, you might notice that some task durations do not accurately fill the time span they're supposed to. This is where you'll need to stretch the bars to correctly represent the task duration. In the timeline view, you can easily click and drag the ends of each taskbar to adjust them according to the start and end dates you entered. This visual adjustment helps clarify when tasks should begin and how long each will take, which is especially helpful for managing your workflow and deadlines. And there you have it, a simple but effective Gantt chart using Notion to keep your projects on track. Whether you're planning a small project or need to manage larger workloads, Notion's flexibility allows it to cater to various needs, enhancing your project management process. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different views and settings to customize your Gantt chart further. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now more confident in creating Gantt charts in Notion.